we'll answer this one. We have to simplify 2 plus 3 times 6 divided by 2 plus the quantity of 8 times 5, the quantity divided by 4, then minus 20. Okay, so ang gagawin natin dito, i-simplify muna natin itong mga division at saka yung mga multiplication. Okay, so kopyahan natin muna ito si 2, then plus 3, then close natin yan. So 6 divided by 2, unahin natin yan, so that is 3, then plus, so 8 times 5 is 40. Okay, then divide by 4, then minus 20, then 2 plus 3, kopyahin muna natin yan, then huwag muna natin i-add yan, kopyahin muna natin si 3, then 40 divided by 4 is 10, so that is plus 10, close, then minus 20. Okay, so 2 plus 3 times, so 3 plus 10 is 13, minus 20. Then 2 plus, ito, multiply na natin yan, so that is 39. 39, 3 times 13, then minus 20. So, equals, 2 plus 39 is 41, minus 20, so equals 21. Okay, so sa choices natin, letter B is the correct answer.